Hi, welcome back. If your Samsung phone is lagging, freezing, or apps are crashing, don't worry. Today, I'll show you a super easy method to fix it using safe mode. This simple trick can help you quickly find out if a third-party app is causing the problem. Unlock your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Then swipe down once again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Now, look for the power icon, usually at the top or corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the power menu. You will see options like power off, restart, and emergency mode. Here's the important part: press and hold the power off option. After a few seconds, a pop-up will appear showing the safe mode option. Tap on safe mode once and your phone will automatically restart. When it turns back on, you will see safe mode written at the bottom of the screen. This means your device is now running without third-party apps. If your phone works fine in safe mode, then the issue is likely caused by an installed app. That's it. Hope this helped. See you in the next video.